Hello, everyone. I have chosen Investigating Heredity by Christine Ann Royce as my trade book. With this trade book comes along two types of books that they use for the grades K through second and grades 1 through 5. I chose to use the book example of Are You My Mother by P.D. Eastman. For the 5 E's, we'll begin with engage. For this lesson plan, to engage is to ask the students if they know what they know about heredity. Start by asking them questions about their traits, their parents, the offsprings, asking them if they know what these mean and see how far they go. With the little book that was read, Are You My Mother? It shows them how the little bird was lost and was looking for a mother and asking different types of animals if they were the mother. This is a good way to get them going, have the students happy, because a little silly of the book. Next, we go on to explore. That's when you start to begin to ask the students to work in groups of 3 or 4 to examine pictures and categorize them and make them see which ones they believe go together, which ones, what is it that they have that makes them similar? How would they categorize these options? For explain, we will have the students each pair up and talk about what they believe the physical traits are of a certain person. You'd be able to give the students pictures of either celebrities and their offspring and see if they can identify and explain the common characteristics. For elaborate, once students have been able to describe the heredity traits, physical traits in the classroom, you can try to give them a project to take home and ask them to do it with their parents, to see if the parents can find a picture of the student and one of their parents and see if the child can identify the similar traits that they have. Once they come back, we can evaluate. This is when you ask them at the end of the lesson to see which student understands. That way we can pinpoint and try to work with the students that are not so advanced in the subject and work with them in a way where they can find it easier. See if there's a different way that it can happen.